Voiceover. Are you looking to start a project that merges storytelling with low upfront costs? Welcome to the world of podcasting, where your ideas come to life with just a few clicks. I'm here to guide you through the steps to launch your very own podcast. Let's get started. Host. Podcasting is an innovative platform where you share your ideas, stories, or knowledge through audio format. The magic is, nothing is recorded until you hit that button. This means you can produce a wide range of content without ever worrying about physical inventory or upfront costs. It's all about your creativity and marketing skills. Voiceover. First, pick a topic. Your topic should be something you're passionate about and has a good market demand. Whether it's business strategies for entrepreneurs or health tips for wellness enthusiasts, your topic will define your podcast. Host. Next, choose the right equipment. Consider factors like audio quality, price, and ease of use. While high-end microphones offer great sound quality, simple USB microphones can also do the job for beginners. Voiceover. Now onto the fun part, recording your podcast. You don't have to be a professional broadcaster. Tools like Audacity and GarageBand make recording accessible to everyone. Remember, your content should resonate with your target audience and stand out in a crowded market. Host. With your recording ready, it's time to edit your podcast. Trim unnecessary parts, adjust volume levels, and add music or sound effects to make your podcast more engaging. Voiceover. You've got your podcast, now you need to publish it. Use platforms like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or Google Podcasts to reach your audience. Make sure your podcast description is detailed and enticing to potential listeners. Host. You've got your podcast published, now you need listeners. Use social media, SEO, and content marketing to reach your audience. Collaborating with influencers and offering promotions can also drive significant traffic and listeners. Host. And there you have it, your very own podcast ready to launch. It's all about creativity, marketing, and learning as you go. So what are you waiting for? Turn those podcast ideas into a profitable project today.